Hello everybody. Today I'm back at this place, Imports Unlimited, that I filmed before. And this has been a couple months, and if you guys remember, I started the last video from this Ford truck, I think F100 Custom if I remember correctly. And it's still here, yep, F100 Custom. It's still here, it's still unlocked, still exactly as it was a couple months ago. And, you know, on one side, not a lot has changed. Some of these cars actually have not moved since I visited. But on the other hand, they did have a few new items here, and I would be happy to show them to you. One is just around this corner, right here. This seems to be their abandoned lot. Oh, look at this. The leaper is leaping a wrong direction. Okay, how about that? Well, there you go. Now it can leap forward. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. It's this thing. Look at this beauty. It's a Rolls Royce. I don't know what kind of Rolls Royce it is. Keep in mind, I'm not a Rolls Royce specialist. And it looks like this roof is slowly but surely decaying. But it is a Rolls Royce nonetheless, from Wisconsin. And what attracted me to this thing, so first of all, like, who vandalizes a car like this? Who does that? That's a spray paint. So somebody didn't like Rolls-Royce. Surprisingly, it still has its Spirit of Ecstasy, and it's sitting right next to a trash can. So anyway, but what I wanted to show you here, first of all, it is unlocked. I think like 99% of these cars are unlocked. Well, obviously this one is unlocked. So first of all, this is a real UK car. Look, it's a right-hand drive. And this, you know, when I opened this car, now granted, I don't know anything about it. I don't know how and why and what, but looks like some of this stuff is just neglect. Like somebody did not give two craps about it. Like, look, this is real wood, and I think this is lacquer. Oh, wow, I barely touched it and it fell off. So yeah, like probably the window was left open and it's rotting away. Some of the stuff is still beautiful, and I don't know what's original, what's not. I have a feeling that maybe these seats are more modern than this car's age is probably from the 60s. But look at this. Like stuff like that. Whoa. Stuff like this. You know, like all the lacquer is coming off. So it's a clock. I'm guessing that's where the ashtray went. I like how all these things, they have like little handles, like fine furniture. Look. I'm guessing that's for power mirrors, maybe? Wow, so all of this stuff, look at this. Looks like moss is growing. And once again, like I said, I don't know if this is an original color. I don't know much. Yeah, so sheets unlocked. But obviously it's sad to see these vehicles in such a sorry shape. Oh, wow. The rear door does not want to open. So maybe because the exterior, okay, this doesn't close anymore. Maybe because the exterior is such a nice, I don't know, cherry color. Maybe somebody decided to do a custom interior like this and then forgot all about it. But yeah, I've only seen a right-hand drive car in the United States for maybe a handful of times. All right, so they still have this Excursion. So that's one thing. Another thing I wanted to show you is this thing. Look. Oh, sorry, wind. Here you go. This little thing looks, first of all, it looks like a big kid's toy. It's a Metropolitan. I've seen these cars, I've seen pictures of these cars in the past. I know really nothing about it because it's also a right-hand drive. I can only assume it's from the UK. So again, I haven't seen one on the street, and I think that antenna is kind of cartoonishly tall. But look how nice it is. Look, now these cars should be in a garage, should be you know, under a cover at least. And speaking of the cover, look, the spare tire is under the cover like it should be. But man, this thing, like, if you have a house big enough and for some reason the registration is until 2024, which is interesting. Maybe because it's like a collector's piece. Look. Look at this. Whoops. All right, let's get inside. Okay. What is this? Okay. Well, all right. I don't know why I jumped on the passenger side, but okay, it's got a glove box. It's actually got registration. Let me look at it. Okay, so it doesn't contain any private information. So you guys can see 1960 Nash antique. Yeah, I don't think it has anybody's like name or phone number. So okay, it's a Nash. See, once again, I don't know this. Okay, these got to be the smallest visors that ever existed. I mean, this car is in impeccable condition. See? Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, this I don't understand this. I'm not sure if this is legit or maybe it's like some sort of a prop. But all right, you put the key here. I'm not quite sure what that does. Oh, this is probably volume, and this is like for the radio station, I'm guessing. Yeah, see, like it's a dial. Temperature, starter pull. So is this like a choke or something? Ashtray. Yeah, look at that. 80 miles an hour. This is original steering wheel. Okay, that doesn't work. And I'm guessing that's the shifter. And then there you have a couple switches for probably wipers and stuff. And that's probably an emergency brake. You got tiny little pedals. Okay. Once again, tell me somebody. I mean, it looks legit, but how would you dial somebody if this is? I mean, if it's 1960, this is obviously predates. Unless it's like a movie prop. I don't know. Is there something? Am I missing a reference to some movie? It could be. Because you also have a police light for some reason. I don't really understand what's up with that, but okay. So there's that. It's again not something that you see every day, but at least this car, as it is in a great shape. Here's another one. Najaf. So all these collector's cars here, once again, sale, service, I don't know. So this one is also a Rolls Royce. Probably also from same era, 60s, 70s. This one is in a much nicer shape. Oh no, this is the seat. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, super nice, super squishy, super old. Okay, real wood. I'm guessing real wood here. You see, this is what that other one probably looked like at some point before it got neglected. Oh wow. Wait, there's no key? Yet the switches work. Oh, you know what? It's probably hydraulic, although still wow. Wow. So violent. And I think this armrest also adjusts. See, I used to watch a lot of Top Gear, so I think I remember them talking something along the lines of it's hydraulic, but still, how would you activate the hydraulic if there's no power to the pump? But anyway, maybe I'm missing something. So look, stitching, ancient stitching. And it might even be real. Clock, speed control, engage, resume, nice, clicky. You have your shifter. Wow, very, very weird shape on the lever. Okay. Some lights. Oh, 8-track? Yeah. 8-track. Nice, so probably in there. Yep. All right. I've seen a few 8-tracks. I don't think I've really know too much about them. I know they exist. All right, you got your power mirrors, I'm guessing, here. Got an interesting setup here for an ashtray. You have your radio. Yep, with a volume knob. Nice. Got these pull-out armrests. Super nice. And right there too. Oh yeah, I would love to take this thing out for a drive. Although I don't know how to move the seat back a little. But anyway. Yeah. Fan. Rear window. I like it. It's not defrost. It's demist. Probably original. Really heavy cigarette lighter too. Yeah, this is life. This is what I'm talking about. No sunroof. Oh, let me try and get in the back, because I think that's where these cars actually shine. I like really solid clanking doors. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a giant couch. Oh, and it's got the footrests. See that? I'm not going to take them out, but nice. Oh wow, it's spring loaded too. Got a nice handle. Look at this. Hey everybody. Look, it still works. Wood. Nice. Yep. I love it. Oh wow, why is this so heavy? I don't know what this is. I don't want to know. See, look at this. Seat belts. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice. Although I think this should probably be closer to here. For some reason, it's sticking out. All right, old Rolls Royce. Nice. Ashtray. More of the same. See, never used. Ancient cigarette lighter. And I guess the last thing to look at here is this. This beast. Look at this beast. Although one of the side lights are off a little. Wow. Not quite sure how to even film this. It's flanked by two giant cars and it's way too close for me to get in there. Let me try to get on the passenger side. I'm surprised all these cars still have their hood ornaments. There you go. Now these cars have a very unique smell. Very unique. I don't know if it's good or bad, but it's unique. I'll leave it at that. I don't know if it's the wood. I don't know if it's the leather or some other material, or it could be I'm sniffing mold and not even realizing that. Not quite sure what that does. Yeah, it's like a fine piece of furniture. Let me try to get in the back. See all these collector cars. So I don't know what year it is. Like I said, I can't really squeeze through there. I don't want to rub myself on any one of these parts. Oh, look, battery in the back. What about here? No, you know what? It doesn't. It's locked up. All right, so the hood is kind of propped open a little bit. I don't know if I'll be able to lift it. Oh, it's one of those halfway. Okay, there you go. Here's a half. I'm not going to lift the other half. Okay. Rolls Royce. See that? Rolls Royce. Oh, crap. Now it's stuck. All right, I'm going to have to... probably going to have to somehow fold it down. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, so another day, another interesting look. Ancient cars, although they're not too ancient. They're just from a bygone era, but that thing, yeah. Somebody knows what that phone is for, and if there's some sort of a movie prop reference, please let me know. I'm curious. All right, down to the next adventure. See you next time.